Hello students, today we are going to start chapter 12 Chennai, the Detroit of India. Okay, so in this chapter we will study about the Chennai. As the Chennai is the capital city of the state of Tamil Nadu and it is the fourth largest metro city in India, and previously it was known as Madras. And Chennai is located on the southeastern coast of India and it is facing the Bay of Bengal. You can easily see the location of Chennai in the map showing in the picture. And now we will talk about the climate. And Chennai experiences hot and humid climate throughout the year, and it receives moderate to heavy rainfall during October to December. And the people in Chennai speak mostly Tamil, and English is also widely accepted language in Chennai, and the Chennai is known for its classical musical shows, and Chennai is known for its Carnatic music and the classical Indian dance form which is called Bharatnatyam. And Kalakshetra is an important cultural center in Chennai. And apart of that, Chennai has an emerging theatre and flourishing cinema called Kollywood. Okay, and rice is the staple food of the Chennai, and rice is accompanied by sambar, rasam, and buttermilk. Apart of that, many more delicious dishes of Chennai are idli, dosa, vada, utpam, coconut chutney, and many other also. And pongal and paisam are served as dessert. And coffee is the most popular beverage in Chennai. You know, Pongal is the 4-day harvest festival, 4-day long harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. Okay, so Pongal is widely celebrated in Chennai. And when we talk about the places of interest, then you come to know Marina Beach in Chennai is the longest beach in India, and it is the second longest beach in the world. And the Fort St. George Church was built by the Britishers in India. And the St. Thom Basilica is the church which was built by the Portuguese explorers in Chennai. And the Kapleshwar temple is the temple of Lord Shiva which is dedicated to Lord Shiva, and many people come here to worship the Lord Shiva. Apart of that, many people can come to Chennai to visit many other tourist attractions like Birla Planetarium, Golden Beach, Snake Park, and many other tourist attractions are there in Chennai. Okay, and in Chennai, buses are the main form of public transport, and the Chennai Mofussil bus terminus is the largest bus terminus in Asia. Okay, and in Chennai, the Chennai Central is the main railway station in the city. The Chennai International Airport is the airport which serves both domestic as well as international flights. Chennai is having two important ports, that is Chennai Port and Ennore Port. Chennai Port is majorly used for the trades and less popularly for travel, and the Ennore Port is used for traveling. Okay, and now we will talk about the industries. Chennai is very popular for its cotton textile industries, and it exports cotton as well as silk cloth worldwide. Okay, a part of the cotton textile industry, other industries are automobile, hardware manufacturing, and healthcare industries. Understand? So, today we discussed about the Chennai, the transport industry, food, culture, places of interest, all the things about the Chennai. And I am giving you the exercises and question answers of this chapter. You learn all the work and write all the work in your copy. Okay, till then, goodbye and have a nice day.